Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from Indie Crypto, and inside this video we'll discuss what is a cryptocurrency wallet. Now before we proceed, I would like to thank the sponsors of this video, which is Insta Crypto India, and this is a new exchange that's come up in India. It's a multi-cryptocurrency exchange where you can trade Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum and Litecoin. And the main good thing about this particular exchange is that it's very simple and user-friendly to use. The KYC is very quick, and it's specifically designed for beginners and newcomers. So go ahead and check it out. It's www.instacrypto.in. So what is a cryptocurrency wallet? A wallet is basically a software or an app using which you can store the crypto, or using which you can send and receive the cryptos as well. Technically speaking, the cryptos are actually not stored on the wallet itself. Say for example, if you have an app, a wallet app on your phone, and you lose your phone, you can still access your cryptos. That is because the cryptos are actually stored on the blockchain network or the blockchain ledger itself. What these wallets have is they have an important piece of information called the private keys, or also called as secret keys. Now anybody or any person who has access to the private key of that particular wallet will also be the owner of all the cryptos that's stored in that particular wallet. And using these private keys, the person can send and receive the cryptos that's stored in that particular wallet. So what happens during a transaction is the private key from the wallet is used to sign the transactions before it's broadcasted to the blockchain network, and this basically provides a proof to the blockchain network that the owner of this particular wallet owns this cryptos and he is authorized the transaction to go ahead. What this private key and the signature of the transactions also do is it's going to prevent any kind of alterations or manipulations that can happen after the transaction is initiated or after the transaction is completed. So let me go ahead and give you a comparison between a wallet and your bank account. So this will help you to understand wallets better. Say for example, you have an app of a particular bank. Say in India you're using a bank app of ICICI. Now let me compare that particular bank app to the wallet. In a wallet you have something called as public key. Now this is basically a long string of alphanumeric number or an address, which you can give it to any of your friends or give it to your users, give it to your customers, using which they can transfer crypto to your wallet, right? So the same thing happens with your bank account number. So in your bank account, you go ahead and give your bank account number to any person who wants to transfer funds to your account, right? So public key is the bank account number of the crypto space. So if anybody wants to send you some cryptos, say Bitcoin or Ethereum, so you go ahead and share the public key or the receiving address, also called. So you can give your public your receiving address of the Bitcoin or your Ethereum wallet, and they can easily send you the cryptos to your wallet. Now speaking of the private key, which I already explained, let me compare that with the bank account password of your account. Say if somebody has access to your bank account password, he can basically transfer the funds. He can basically he actually becomes the owner of that particular funds that's stored in the bank account, right? Because he can use the password, he can transfer the funds anywhere, he can use the password to spend the funds as he likes. The same happens with the wallet as well. If somebody gets access to the private key of your wallet, he can basically send or spend that particular crypto that's stored in the wallet, right? It's as simple as that. So in the wallet, the cryptos are actually not stored in the wallet itself. They're actually stored on the blockchain network. Now the same happens in your bank account app as well. In your bank account app, the money is not actually stored in your bank account app. The money is actually stored in the bank. Now whenever you initiate a transaction, your bank account app goes ahead and communicates with the server of your bank, and it lets them know this is the amount of transaction or this is the amount of funds that needs to be transferred, and that particular information exchange happens from your app to the bank server. The same happens here on the wallet as well. So whenever you want to do a transaction, your wallet goes ahead and communicates with the blockchain network, telling that the owner of this wallet wants to do a transaction. So the private keys are used, the transactions are signed, and then the transactions would proceed. So that's a basic analogy or a comparison between a wallet and a bank account. So hope that simplifies you in understanding what is a crypto wallet. Now there are several types of wallets when it comes to cryptocurrencies. The first one is the mobile wallets. Now you can basically download the mobile wallet apps from the Play Store or the App Store, depending on which type of phones you're using, and you can basically start using the cryptocurrency mobile wallets. There are also desktop wallets, depending again on which platform you use. If you use Linux, there is different set of wallets that are designed only for Linux. If you're using Windows, there are separate desktop wallets designed only for Windows. And if you're using Mac, there are separate desktop wallets designed for Macs as well. The next is the most common one, the exchange wallets. So any person who opens a verified account on any of the exchanges will automatically get a free wallet from the exchange, and they go ahead and give you a wallet using which you can send or receive cryptos again. The next are the web wallets. Now the web wallets are basically wallets services on the internet, using which you can store, send and receive cryptos. And the advantage of this is that you can basically access your cryptos from any device, because it's not stored on any particular device. The last one are the hardware wallets. Now the different kinds of hardware wallets can be as simple as paper wallets, where the private keys and the public keys are actually printed out on the paper itself, and made sure the private keys are not visible to everyone, and then stored in a safe, secure location. There are also some hardware wallet devices in which the private key is actually stored in the device itself, and this way it's not accessible to the internet, and you can basically go ahead and transact or store your cryptos only when you need it, and connect it to a computer and complete the transactions. So we will go ahead and discuss each type of wallet in my further videos, and we will go in detail about each types of wallets, and I'll also go ahead and review one of the wallets in each of these types, so that it becomes easy for you, and based on that you can choose whichever wallet is useful for you in order to go ahead and transact with cryptos. And also go ahead and check out our website indiecrypto.com, where we'll also list the different wallets for different cryptocurrencies, and it will be there in a section called wallets on our website very soon, once we go ahead and review all the wallet types in the cryptocurrency space. So that's it in this video, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and share this video, And if you're somebody new here, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you receive notifications whenever we post the next video. So that's it in this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.